Hello, dear friends, starting with our new chapter Physical Features of India. You all have already learnt about that India is a very vast country and that there are many physical features, mountains, rivers. So, first of all, we must understand what is physical features. What do we mean by physical features? This is important. See, physical features are basically they mean basically about आर रिलीफ फीचर्स अंडरस्टैंडिंग जो भी रिलीफ फीचर्स होते हैं हमारे इंडिया के वही हमारे फिजिकल फीचर्स होते हैं वी विल लर्न द ऑल द फिजिकल फीचर्स सी Himalayan mountain, northern plain, peninsula plateau, Indian desert, coastal plains, islands. This you have learned before also in your previous classes. Same thing we are going to learn today. So, before starting this thing, we must understand one more thing, that is tectonic plates. You know that, let me show you. Yeah, see, suppose this is our earth crust, right? And under this crust, there are many tectonic plates which are moving. इन्हीं की ही पोजीशंस और मूवमेंट्स की वजह से हमारे मेजर लैंडफॉर्म्स फॉर्म होते हैं. आई थिंक दिस इज़ नोन टू एवरीबडी. नाउ नेक्स्ट थिंग, the movement of plates, like the earth scientists have attempted to explain the formation of physical features with the help of some theories. कुछ theories use होते हैं. So one very important theory is theory of plate tectonics. According to this, the crust has been formed out of 7 major and minor plates, and the movement of these plates result in the building up of stresses. Stresses means compressions. Stresses का मतलब होता है compression within the plates and the continental rocks above, leading to folding, faulting and volcanic activity. Folding, faulting and volcanic activity, this I'll tell you in detail. Folding होता है जब like this is the example of folding, when two colloid or fold हो जाता है. Then faulting is when creating a stress, compressions. And lastly, volcanic, you all know, when volcanoes explode. Broadly, these plate movements are classified into 3 types. While some plates come towards each other and form convergent boundary, some move away from each other and form divergent boundary. In the event of two plates coming together, they may collide or coming together or crumble or may slide under the corner. Hello dear friends, continuing with faulting, volcanic activity and folding. So here we have 2 types of plates, convergent boundary, divergent boundary and transform boundary. Convergent boundary में क्या होता है, जब ये these two plates they come forward to each other. Suppose कीजिए, let me explain you properly, that this, suppose this is 2 plates, okay, ये 2 plates हैं, and when they both come towards each other, जो strong crust plate होगी वो overlie करेगी इसके ऊपर, and this plate would be get over it, under it. This will over and this will be under. Clear? So this is only we want to understand, that's why it is also known as destructive plate. Okay, whereas divergent, this is the divergent plate, as you can see in the diagram. When 2 plates they diverge from each other, तो अंदर एक compression आ जाती है, this in which molten material, molten lava and other material inside the earth, the molten material, it rises up and cools down, forming the crust. New crust is formed. So this is not destructive, it is good for the crust. Next is transform boundary, when 2 plates, these 2 plates, they slide past each other. See, these 2 plates are there and they are not colliding each other, they are just sliding past each other like this. Then these are known as transform plate and they do not cause any harm to the crust. So convergent boundary and divergent boundary is this, and lastly we have the transform boundary. Transform boundary is when they horizontally pass to each other. I hope it is clear to everybody. Now these are the plate margins, important plates. Eurasian plate, this is Eurasian plate, let me show you. Yeah, this is Eurasian plate, This is African plate, Indo-Australian plate, South American plate, North American plate, and one important Pacific plate. These are important and major plates. I hope this is clear to everybody. I have also commissioned few diagrams. See, divergent plate boundary. When this is the plate, let me show you. Yeah. So in this plate, you can see that these two are diverging from each other, and when they diverge, this molten material up, can you see this molten material, it fills off. Transform plate boundary, when they are just sliding past each other, earthquakes are caused in such manner. And convergent plate boundary, see this is the thicker one, से ये retain हुआ, और it was the small one, it bent this types. I hope it is clear. And these are all the important plates: North American plate, African plate, Eurasian plate, Indo-Australian plate, Antarctic plate. 7 important plates. There are 7 important major plates, including one oceanic. Clear? Now, one question I want to ask everyone, what do you mean by plate? Have you ever thought what is plate exactly? Plate क्या होता है? Plates are basically the under the crust material जो है, and they are made up of the molten material which is present inside the earth. So I hope it is clear to all. Thank you and have a nice day.